Class, and welcome to week 13 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you'll be working on the GREAT module again. This week we're working on the GREAT Learning Resources for week 2. In that folder, you'll find information about the upcoming assignment for the annotated bibliography. This week you'll be composing an annotated bibliography of at least 5 sources. I'm urging you to look at the databases to see if you can find any support there. If not, you're certainly welcome to also use the World Wide Web. I do caution you to evaluate the sources that you find on the World Wide Web, as some of them are coming from a biased point of view. So please make sure to check to see what kind of source you're getting. Sources from newspapers, magazines, New York Times, The Atlantic, The Balance, any of those kinds of, the Huffington Post, any of those online newspapers and journals and magazines would work. And I would ask you to certainly use your discretion when you're looking at other types of sources as well. So you will be composing an annotated bibliography, and I just sent you an announcement of additional resources for this annotated bibliography. I sent you a link, and I also sent you a sample handout. However, you can also look at the GREAT Learning Resources for week 2 to find more information. There is an annotated bibliography handout. There is a reference to the library's database, and there's some sample annotated bibliographies as well. Make sure that your annotated bibliography conforms to MLA style entries. It says 5 sources from the databases, but I will allow you to do other sources if you're not finding all of your sources from the databases. That is not a problem. I will allow you to do that as well. So one of the sources must be a non-text source. So it should be kind of like an image, a video, an audio, because you will be embedding this image on the front of your essay when you do the final essay for this GREAT module. So it does have a component of creating an image, whether it's copy and pasting a photo, a picture, or something that the reader will be able to focus on. So please make sure that you summarize the sources that you've used, that you choose carefully a quote, or you may paraphrase sections of the sources that you're going to include in your essay as well. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.